Go.
Hey guys, here we are with another video. Today we're opening a brand new pack of Tiny Rebel beer. This is a summer pack. Let's have a look inside. Come on closer. Okay, here we go guys. Fresh box, fresh opening. Out of the way, Bodhi. Let's have a look what's inside, guys. I get really excited with these kind of videos, you know? Bodhi, out of the way now. Bodhi, dude. Right. Right, let's look inside. Oh, look at that. Brandon, enjoy. And there, you got thanks for shopping at Tiny Rebel. Isn't that something great, you know? Gives it that real personal touch, you know? Okay, and now we've got the extra boxes. And we open the boxes and look what's inside. Damn, there's only 4, 8, 12. I was expecting 16 beers, to be honest. But, you know, that's $22. So what's that? What's 4 divided by 22? Actually, what's 12 divided by 22? That's less than $2 a can. Okay, cut. I'm a bit upset now.